If you're not sure where to go next for a trip, think about choosing a place based on an Airbnb. Finding a spot where you can start and end your day with amazing views can really help you relax and have a great vacation. Here are some places that are so beautiful, they're definitely worth the trip. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Let's get started. Luo in Riva del Garda, Italy. Riva del Garda is at the very top of Lake Garda in Italy, and it's beautiful. This Airbnb lets you enjoy the lake right from the front. It's nice but not too pricey, fits up to 6 people in 2 bedrooms, and has cool stuff like a pool, tennis court, and a place to bowl. It's also really close to the old village. It costs $120 for each person for one night. Hector Cave House in Santorini, Greece. This place in Santorini was made more than 250 years ago and used to be a place to keep wine. Now, it's a cool spot to stay with a great view. It's near a pretty village called Oia. Sleeps up to 5 people in 1 bedroom and has a private place outside to hang out and look at the sea. If you go between April 1st and November 1st, there's also a small pool to use. It's $200 for each person for one night. Eiffel Tower, view in Paris, France. This Airbnb in Paris has an awesome view of the Eiffel Tower. It's a small place perfect for 2 people and is at the top of the building. It's really romantic and has a little balcony where you can eat or just enjoy the view. It costs $150 for each person for one night. Apartment Tony in Dubrovnik, Croatia. This 2-bedroom apartment is near a beach in Dubrovnik and not too far from the old city. It's calm and has a cool terrace where you can see the old town and the sea. It has air conditioning and a kitchen too. It's $80 for each person for one night. Gova House in Trinity, Newfoundland. Trinity is a really pretty town with old houses and buildings. This Airbnb is for up to 4 people and is right by the water. You might see icebergs or whales depending on when you go. Guests can also eat at a place called Twine Loft. It's $100 for each person for one night. Villa Aquamarine in Bali, Indonesia. This place in Bali has a pool that looks out over the ocean. You might see dolphins or even whales. Up to 6 people can stay in 2 bedrooms. It has TV, a DVD player, a good speaker, and free Wi-Fi. It's $130 for each person for one night. Mendocino Coast Cottage in Albion, California. The Mendocino Coast has cool cliffs and beaches. This cottage is perfect for a couple and has a deck and a hot tub to enjoy the view. It's $175 for each person for one night. ISU Cliff House in Tokyo, Japan. This modern house is on a cliff in a park near Tokyo with great views of the ocean. It's $220 for each person for one night. Penthouse in Wengen, Switzerland. If you like the Swiss Alps, this penthouse in Wengen has amazing views from the balcony. It fits up to 6 people in 3 bedrooms and has a big living space with big windows to enjoy the view from inside. It's $250 for each person for one night. Cabin by the Sea in Vestfagøy, Lofoten Islands, Norway. The Lofoten Islands in Norway are really beautiful with mountains and the sea. This cabin fits up to 6 people and has amazing views. You might even see the northern lights. It's $180 for each person for one night. The Jungle Tree House in São Paulo, Brazil. This house in the trees near the coast of São Paulo has great views and is close to the beach. It fits 8 people in 4 bedrooms. It's $140 for each person for one night. All right, folks, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos for more cool stuff. We'd love to hear from you too, so drop us a comment below with your favorite places and experiences. Catch you in the next one.